Hello, today we will guide you through how to collaborate on a CapCut project. To begin, open the CapCut app. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before moving forward, since collaboration features are tied to your workspace and account permissions. Once the app is open, give the home screen a moment to fully load so all navigation options are visible and ready to use. Next, look to the left side navigation panel and click on Spaces. This area is where shared workspaces and collaborative project management tools are typically organized inside CapCut. If you're working with a team, this is the section that helps keep projects grouped in one place, making it easier to manage access and work together without passing files back and forth manually. After you've opened Spaces, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Add User. This is the option used to invite a collaborator into the shared space. When you select it, CapCut will begin the process for adding another person so they can access the workspace and participate in the project. As you do this, it's a good idea to double check that you're inviting the right person and that you're in the correct space, especially if you manage multiple projects or teams. One important thing to know before you continue is that adding a collaborator requires a pro version. If you don't have the appropriate plan, CapCut may prevent you from completing the invitation process or prompt you to upgrade first. So if the Add User option doesn't work as expected, or if you see a message about restricted access, it likely means your current version doesn't include collaborator sharing. That's the full process for getting started with collaboration in CapCut. The key steps are opening the app, going into Spaces, selecting Add User, and confirming that your account has the pro version needed for collaborator access. If you're preparing to work with others regularly, it can also help to review your workspace setup in advance so the collaboration process goes more smoothly. Thanks for following along. You should now have a clear understanding of how to start collaborating on a CapCut project and what requirement to check if the feature isn't available.